guys, welcome back to another Jack and Ed video. Today we're here at Dore and Totley on the Midland Main Line and Sheffield line. This is 150, 122 and 150, 107 departing with a service bound for Sheffield from Manchester Piccadilly. You'll see services here by EMR Intercity, EMR Regional, Transpennine Express, Crosscountry and Northern, and maybe a bit of freight as well. But anyway, let's see what shall turn up here at Dore and Totley. Okay, we've got a pair of 220s to Plymouth. 220-018 and 220-011. That is forming a service to Plymouth from, I think it might be Leeds, from Leeds to Plymouth, but I'm not quite sure. Okay, that's a nice way from the driver there. That's 222-222-015 forming a service to Sheffield from London St Pancras. Well done. I didn't see that coming, but yeah, that's 222 to Sheffield. Okay, we've got an EMR regional service. I've got no idea where this is from, absolutely no idea, but it's a 156 with a 158. 156405 is on the front. Nice little flash from the lights there. Oh, and here's the other one, 158799. This is going to Norwich. Nice way from the driver there. And on the rear is 846. And here is your other train. That is from Liverpool Lime Street to Norwich. This service, I believe, maybe is from Nottingham to Norwich, I think. I'm not sure though. And on the rear of this is 158864. So I'll get her when the signals change. Okay, and off it goes. 156408. And 158. Which, as I said, is 158864. I think that is going from Nottingham to Norwich, but I still can't be sure. I'm not 100% sure of the origins of that. Oh, sorry, of that service. But that is going off to Norwich, I believe. Okay, we've got a pair of 220s. Nice tone there. That's off to Glasgow Central. Nice way from the driver as well. 220-013 and 014. That's off to Glasgow Central from Plymouth, maybe. Anyway, nice tone from the driver there. Thank you very much. Okay, we've got a 158 from Sheffield to Nottingham. I think it's 158816. That's going to Nottingham from Sheffield. Speeding round the corner there. Okay, we've got a pair of Northern Class 150s. I think it's the same pair off to Manchester. 150, 107 again, yeah. And on the rear is an ex-First Great Western unit, as you can see, which is 150-122. I'll get her when it's departing. Okay, and departing now is a pair of Class 150 to Manchester Piccadilly. Northern service 150-122 is on the rear with 150-107 on the front. As you can see, snaking off into the Peak District. through Dore and Totley Tunnel, which goes off to the Peak District. Okay, we've got a 150-2 from Nottingham to, nice little tone there, 150-206. That is from Nottingham to Sheffield, I believe. Okay, we've got a 185, nice way from the drive there. 185, 120. 185, I think it was 128. And 222-222-015, nice way from the driver there. Which is going from Sheffield to London St Pancras. Passing by here at Dore and Totley station. Okay, we've got a VP 185 HST passing by now, bound for Sheffield. 43038, nice way from the driver there. Sadly, the engines are not in power. That is a lovely roar from the last set as it passes by Dore and Totley. Very nice. We've got a 220 to Bristol Temple Meads. 220-027 and 221-136. That's going to Bristol Temple Meads from Leeds. Okay, we've got a 158 from Nottingham to Sheffield passing by now. 158-901. There we go, that's going to Sheffield from Nottingham. Okay, we've got a pair of yeah. Oh no, we got a pacer! Yay! 150-134 is on the front, and we got a pacer finally. Yay! I love a pacer. And yeah, we'll get her when she departs. Okay, and now departing is 150-134 with a pacer on the rear. Everyone likes a pacer. I thought they were retired, but obviously not. Anyway, I'll give that some time to get away. I do like a pacer. You can really see the bumpiness on board. I love pacers. We were going to go to Wales to see them, but now we may not. Okay, we've got a 222-003. That's passing, going to London St Pancras. That's 222-003. Sorry if it's a little bit shaky. Still getting used to this new tripod. But yeah. Okay, and it's the same set we saw earlier. Again, 158-864. 156-405. I think it is the same set we saw before. Two different classes there. Very nice. I think it's off to Liverpool Lime Street. Okay, we've got a pair of EMR 158-846. And 799 again. I think we saw those units earlier. They're terminating early, I believe, at Peterborough. Okay, we've got a Transpennine Express service from Cleethorpes to Manchester Piccadilly passing by. We've got a cross-country service now passing by, bound for Edinburgh Waverley. Nice way from the driver there. and 034. Passing Dore and Totley. Very nice. That's off to Edinburgh Waverley from Bristol Temple Meads. Okay, we've got an ex-LNER HST with a whole different range of power card. 43238 with a LNER buffet and another 43318, making a fantastic sound as it powers up through here. That's off to London St Pancras from Sheffield. Okay, so nice tone there from the driver. 157.786 off to Nottingham. Thank you for the tone there, driver. It's greatly appreciated. Okay, and we've got our set going to Manchester Piccadilly from Sheffield, formed of another bouncy train, as you can see there, really bouncing, and a 150-1. Yeah, that is going to Manchester Piccadilly. Nice wave from the driver. That's 142004 again, and the same 150 unit that we saw earlier. I can't actually remember what number it is. It's 150-134. And I'll get her when it departs. Okay, and now departing is 142004 and 15134, yeah, forming a service to Manchester Piccadilly, departing here at Dore and Totley, and sadly I believe this may be our last train of the day, so yeah, I'll just watch her as she departs round the curve off towards Manchester Piccadilly, the Hope Valley, and all that sort of places that go over towards Manchester Piccadilly. Okay guys, so that concludes the end of the video here at Dore and Totley. I hope you guys have enjoyed this. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe and do all that. And yeah, so happy that I caught some pacers here at Dore and Totley. So yeah guys, I was really happy that I caught pacers, because I thought personally in the north that they were retired. But anyway, so, and from me and Dore and Totley and me and Ed, goodbye.